Hello, this audio file is for page 35 and it is all about explanation. Okay, you are welcome to online Hausa class once again. Good morning. So I'm starting now. Remember, this audio is all about explanation. Okay, so I'm starting now with present continuous tense. Our new verb, action word today is dafa. Dafa, when you say dafa, means to cook. To cook. Let's say, kana dafa abinci kuwa? Are you cooking food? Dafa. Dafa means to cook. Okay? Dafa. 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 D-A-F-A. Dafa. You already know abinci. You have already studied abinci means food. So I'm starting now. Okay? Positive question. How do you ask question? If you want to say, are you cooking food? How will you say that in Hausa language? So here, see how you say it. Positive question. Kana dafa abinci kuwa? Kana dafa abinci kuwa means are you cooking food? Positive answer. Kana dafa abinci. Kana dafa abinci. You are cooking food. Kana dafa abinci. You are cooking food. So what if you are not cooking food? You want to say you are not cooking food. So that is the negative answer. Baka dafa abinci. Baka dafa abinci means you are not cooking food. Baka dafa abinci means you are not cooking food. Okay? So what is the negative question? If you want to say, are you not cooking food? So, baka dafa abinci kuwa? Baka dafa abinci kuwa means are you not cooking food? Baka dafa abinci kuwa? Are you not cooking food? So, negative answer. Baka dafa abinci. Baka dafa abinci means you are not cooking food. Baka dafa abinci means you are not cooking food. Okay? And positive answer is kana dafa abinci, you are cooking food. Kana dafa abinci, you are cooking food. Okay? So, in this present tense, what you have to study is kana. Whenever you say kana means you are doing. Ka means you. Na means doing. Okay? So, kana dafa abinci means you are cooking food. So, kana always you are. Ba means not. Ka you. So when you say baka means you are not. Baka means you are not. Baka means you are not. Dafa cooking abinci food. Okay? So all about kana baka. Kana baka. Kana is positive. And it's all about present tense or present continuous tense. Baka is negative for the present continuous tense or present tense. So we are done with present tense. Let's go and see how it works on future tense. So future tense, positive question. Zaka dafa abinci kuwa? You see, zaka, will you? The word za means will, ka you. So zaka dafa abinci kuwa? Will you cook food? Zaka dafa abinci kuwa? Will you cook food? Positive answer. Zaka dafa abinci. Zaka dafa abinci. You will cook food. Zaka dafa abinci. You will cook food. Okay? So negative question. Okay? Negative answer. Ba zaka dafa abinci ba. You will not cook food. Ba zaka dafa abinci ba. You will not cook food. Ba zaka dafa abinci ba. You will not cook food. So ba not, za will, ka you. So ba zaka dafa abinci ba, you will not cook food. Negative question. Ba zaka dafa abinci ba kuwa? Will you not cook food? Ba zaka dafa abinci ba kuwa? Will you not cook food? Ba zaka dafa abinci ba kuwa? Will you not cook food? Kuwa means to form a question. Negative answer. Ba zaka dafa abinci ba, you will not cook food. Ba za ka dafa abinci ba, you will not cook food. Ba za ka dafa abinci ba, you will not cook food. Okay? Positive answer. Za ka dafa abinci, you will cook food. Za ka dafa abinci, you will cook food. So what I'm trying to explain in the future tense is always za, zaka, bazaka, zaka, bazaka. Zaka means you will do. Bazaka, you will not do. That is all. Zaka, you will do. Bazaka, you will not do. Za is will, ka, you. Okay? Ba is not. Za will, ka, you. Okay? So, zaka, bazaka. Zaka, bazaka is all. That is all. So, let's quickly move to the last part of it, which is the past tense. Okay? Positive question. Ka dafa abinci kuwa? The word ka, okay, means did you? Ka, in this context, did you? Ka dafa abinci kuwa? Did you cook food? Ka dafa abinci kuwa? Did you cook food? Positive answer. Ka dafa abinci, you cooked food. Ka dafa abinci, you cooked food. What if you didn't? Baka dafa abinci ba, you didn't cook food. Baka dafa abinci ba, you didn't cook food. Negative question. Baka dafa abinci ba kuwa? Didn't you cook food? Baka dafa abinci ba kuwa? Didn't you cook food? Negative answer. Baka dafa abinci ba, you didn't cook food. Baka dafa abinci ba, you didn't cook food. Baka dafa abinci ba, you didn't cook food. Positive answer. Ka dafa abinci, you cooked food. Ka dafa abinci, you cooked food. Ka dafa abinci, you cooked food. So what will you study? Past tense is ka and baka. Ka, baka. Ka means you did. Baka, you didn't. That is all. Okay, bye.